Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Tennant Boss 2000 LE carpet extractor. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance and minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So we need to replace the back motor. Super simple, this is how you do it. First, you want to go ahead and remove the two 9/16 bolts that sit up front here. That way you can open up the solution tank to get to the guts. So now that we have the back motor exposed, we're going to go ahead and we're going to take off the exhaust hose. Just loosen up your hose clamp. Pull it off just like that and set it down in here. Next, there are three 7/16 nuts. We got to get rid of those. Now with all four nuts removed, what we're going to do is go ahead and cut these zip ties. Now with the three zip ties cut, next we want to remove this 10mm nut that is holding the ground wire on. Now we can take off the ground wire. Just like that. Be sure to replace all the other ground wires that come off as well. Now what we need to do is we need to unplug the back motor wires from the main power source. Just like that. So at this time, now we can remove the back motor. Just like that. So your new back motor does not come with a gasket, so it's always a good idea to replace the back motor gasket at the same time as replacing the back motor. So just get your new gasket, put it on there and stick it on there good. To install the back motor, just reverse your steps. Slide your back motor into place. Now what we're going to do is we're going to secure the back motor to the machine before plugging anything in. Okay, be sure not to over-tighten the nuts. You want to make sure that the back motor is seated in there properly and it's nice and secure. Okay, now what you want to make sure you put your fourth lock nut on this back far post here. Now what we need to do is we need to put the ground wire back on and tighten down that nut. Just like that. Now with the back motor secure and in place, we're going to go ahead and plug in your back motor wires to your main power source. Black to black and white to white. Just like that, and we can get these wires out of the way. Now the last thing you want to do is take your exhaust hose and put it back on the new vac motor. Now what we need to do is tighten down the hose clamp. The last thing you want to do is tuck your hoses in, just like that. Close the lid and replace the 9/16 bolts to the machine. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.